Not a surprise. I knew it from the beginning.
Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. So the debate have ended, and you have made your decision with regards to which of the presentation to you seems more applaudable. Based on calculation of our thumbs up throughout the entire 6 videos, we have calculated that
the results came in.
Funk / Angel Freak have actually won the debate with regards to having substrate or not having substrate.
What?
Right?
But it's confirmed.
Aquafunk got a total of 74 votes, while myself got a total of 55.
It's in the books. I am king.
I think I presented my topic, should I say, I presented what I had to present eloquently.
I had a lot of fun doing this. I learned a lot of things. And in all actuality, I'm going to be putting some of the things that I learned from Mr. Riley into practice.
I think I put forward the points. However, you the viewers did not see it that way.
I really enjoyed your comments.
So I appreciate your decision. So substrate, no substrate, and no substrate have won.
The conversations that people were having were real conversations, real thoughts, real experiences, and that's what I've always wanted from this YouTube channel. And I'm really happy that I was able to experience that, and I really hope to experience it again.
Tell the truth, I am a no substrate person. Also, it's just because my ponds are outside why I end up putting stuff in it. But I like to see the base of my ponds. I like to see what's happening. But I think that I would have gotten at least a little closer to Mr. Funk. Total, he got 74, 55, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching this collab. It was really appreciative. We enjoyed ourselves. He can express that to you personally. He enjoyed himself, and I enjoyed mine. And we endorse our new friendship. Thank you very much. Look forward for new collabs with Mr. Funk, and also there is another collab in the making. I hope that you will stay tuned for that. Thank you very much. Riley here, Fish Keeping Jamaica. Bye bye.
Mr. Riley, thank you so much for the opportunity. Maybe in the future we'll do it again sometime. I don't think the outcome's going to be any different though, but you could give it a shot. You know, I don't match later on, give you the opportunity to try and get the belt back. But as it is, what has 2 thumbs and whoop that butt? This guy.